Jay and all the kids. Oh, look! Well, what do you know? Yay! Let's see what it is. Oh, blocks. We love blocks. Good ripping. Oh, she will love that. Yeah. Thanks, Jay. That's perfect. Yeah, exactly. She can stand at it. Yeah.
That's Karen Worth. So I'm like, oh.
No, that's perfect. She'll love that. I need to get some more toys that are like her age. That's perfect.
You like the ride.
That's very cute. Oh, look, Lily. Here's one more for you.
Wow, Lily and Summer, what a
This one is for you from Grandma. Can you open it up and see what it is? Oh, you know what? We already opened that one, actually. We'll let her open it again.
Awesome.
Oh, good. Fun. Let's see what it is. That's from Grandma.
Oh, cute.
From Grandma Hodge. Cute. Look, honey. That's a princess dress.
Wow.
Tell Grandma thank you.
Turn this way, Lily. She's right here. Look.
You're welcome.
You better give her a kiss for
Can I
that.
have a kiss? Can you show Grandma the sign for thank you?
Oh my gosh, she's always
What is it? Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thanks everybody. That was perfect. Those are perfect.
Everybody had to go to the
Do you want to go share your purse?
Let me see your dress. She has her sock.
Oh, you want to take the purse off? Show your dress. Your princess dress from Grandma. Oh, that's cute, Lily. Here it is.
Summer.
Show Shay.
Happy
It's so
birthday.
pretty.
Let them play.
Oh.